Hi everybody, this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome to my channel. And I hope this films well and goes well because this is all going to be in real time but not live, meaning I'm getting ready to do an unboxing and you're going to see my reaction. Typically I will unbox things, look at it, and then do a review for you guys and share it with you. But I am just going to go ahead and do an unboxing, so I hope all goes well. This is for my Doonieistas. I am one of those people, as you know, if you watch my channel, really like collecting handbags. Now this one has been on my wish list for a while. How do I do my wish list? I usually have like maybe 3 items on my wish list at a time, and then I typically search and scour the internet for the best deal. And this particular bag I've been hunting for about a year now. It came out about 3 years ago. I know QVC did a showing of this bag about 3 years ago, and I did not know about it then, but I think it was last year that I saw one online from one of my YouTubers that I love to watch, and her name is Deepy Cantan Beauty. She had this bag and I just fell in love with it, and I just have been looking for it ever since. It's hard to find, it's not being produced anymore, and so you just have to keep your eye out. And so I found this one on eBay, to make a long story short, and I put in a bid for it, and then I just said, you know what, I am not going to take the risk of somebody outbidding me. I'm just going to go ahead and buy it. So I really took a risk. I read the descriptions. I did not ask questions. That's something that I do not advise anybody to do. I just really wanted this bag, and I did not see any others out there on the market because I have been searching Poshmark and everywhere else, and so I just went ahead and just outbid myself. So I lost to myself getting this bag, and we're gonna go ahead and open it. This is a bag, let me just, as I ramble, open. This is a bag that reminded me so much of an artist, Andre Rousseau. Now, he's a French artist that lived some time ago, and we Americans pronounce his name Henry Rousseau. And he did a lot of jungle paintings and jungle scenes, and to me, he was kind of like the National Geographic person of his time, because he would do these really like intense pictures of tigers attacking buffalo and just antelope and different things like that, and even people in his paintings. But there was this one called The Dream that this bag reminded me of. I'll show you an excerpt of a close-up within that picture. I'll zoom in on one of the parts of the picture that reminded me of this bag. And so anyway, it's very artistic. Okay, first, the seller said this was new with tags, but in the pictures that she showed, it was unwrapped and not in packaging. But lo and behold, after purchasing this bag, I go on Poshmark and someone uploads this bag that is brand new in packaging, never been used. But I'm hoping this looks like I'm going to be happy, guys. It looks like I'm going to be happy. So this is the Islamorada, I believe. Islamorada or Islamorada, I'm not sure, Dover Tote from Dooney and Bourke. So here is the bag. It looks like she took it out of the original packaging to take pictures of it, but it still has the plastic on the handles, which is awesome because I was so worried. But yes, so this is the tote that I've been wanting, and I'm so happy. I am so happy. So you guys, y'all can relate when you get something and it's to your liking and you're pleased. So, because you just never know sometimes. So the bag was originally $298. I paid $225. The one that was on Poshmark was $300. And so I think I got a really good deal, guys. It still has the plastic on the handles. It is new with tags, as she said. And it still has the silica packs and stuffing inside. There's a registration card inside, and the sticker is still inside, so I'm so happy. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so this tote, as I said, reminded me of an image in Henry or Honoré Rousseau's painting, and like I'll show it to you again. I don't know, that whole jungle thing, it just reminds me of that, and I love the bright colors. It has the Dooney and Bourke logo here, which I'm loving, with this leopard. And from what I understand on QVC, Peter, the man behind the Dooney and Bourke bags, was traveling. It's like a print from a tapestry that he saw during his travels. And I just absolutely love it because I love learning about other cultures. And this bag is just so unique. And it has the kind of natural leather trim on it. It has the feet on the bottom and also the leopard there. Oh, I am loving this tote, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the plastic off. I'm going to style it for you. I'm going to give you some close-ups and give you the measurements, but I'm loving it. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I will be right back. A happy unboxing. Yes. The Islamorada Dover Tote is such a delightful departure from your everyday type of bag, and it's just such a charming bag and such a joy to carry. It has a double adjustable shoulder strap and a well-appointed red interior, which makes it a joy to carry. And not only that, it has the very endearing design which will brighten any look. So this bag, like I said, is fully lined with a red lining. It has a back wall zip pocket, a back wall slip pocket, 2 front wall slip pockets, a middle zip compartment, and a key keeper. This bag measures 12.5 in width, 11.5 in height, and 6 3/4 in dimension, with an 11-inch to 13-inch strap draft. It weighs approximately 1 pound and 8 ounces, and the body is made of 81% PVC, 19% cotton, and the trim is 100% leather, and the lining is 100% cotton. So this is a very stylish bag. All right, hey guys, let's fill up this bag with my typical everyday things. I don't carry a lot. I'm a minimalist when it comes to carrying things. Typically, I do not carry an eyeglass case, but for this demonstration, I am, because it does have an eyeglass pocket where you can put your case in there, so you can easily slide your eyeglass case in there. I have several pouches that I keep, like lip gloss, sanitary napkins, things like that in, so I'm just going to throw that in there. My wallet, I would put in this zip compartment, so I would put in there, and we're just going to slide that down in there in the middle section, because you do want that to be a little bit more secure. And then I do have another pouch that I have other things in that related to work, like my badge and things like that, and also I could put my charger and stuff in there. And then I always keep a pen. The only thing I'm missing is my little sketchbook that I usually carry. But this would make a great everyday bag, also a great work bag. And so typically that is how I would carry things. And then I am ready to go. And I just love it. Now, as far as weight, now that I've got things in it, it is a little heavy, but not too heavy where I think it would be bothersome, but it fills out nicely. I just love it. So yes, and this is something that I would carry a year round, because it does have that navy background in it, but then that pop of color that is nice to have during the winter months as well. So that is my bag fully stuffed. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed sharing in this unboxing with me. I just really enjoy handbags, and I like sharing it with other people out there who share that same affinity for handbags as I do. I just really like the artistry of things and how they're made. And Dooney and Bourke is such a quality driven company, and everything that I've ever purchased by Dooney and Bourke, I've thoroughly enjoyed it. So this is the Islamorada Dover Tote, and I love it. I just adore it. I'm going to carry it. It's going to be with me forever, and I just absolutely adore it. And so thank you for sharing this with me. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on this bag, and also, do you own one of these bags? And let me know how it has served you. I'd love to hear from you. But like I said, I just really love it. It's very good quality. Love the leather trim. Love the coated cotton canvas of this bag, because it's very durable, great for traveling, great for just different types of weather. You don't have to worry about it. It has the feet to protect the bottom. Just awesome design, as I showed you earlier with all the little details. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And one more thing too. Like I said, when I do a wish list, I usually have 3 things on my wish list at a time, and I just take my time searching for those things. I do search places like Poshmark, eBay, Etsy, occasionally the RealReal, Tradesy, but I've never purchased anything off the RealReal or Tradesy. Most of my purchases have come from Poshmark. I just really love Poshmark. It's been good to me. So I haven't had any bad experiences so far, and I think a lot of that has to do with me taking my time to buy, even though on this one I kind of just did not take my time because I know how hard it is to find this. However, if you're searching for this bag, there is one on Poshmark right now that is new with tags, still in the wrapper, and it's $300. So maybe you could just put in a lower bid, and you might be surprised. You might be able to get that bag. So if you're searching for this bag, I'll leave a link below to where you can get this bag on Poshmark, if it's still there by the time I upload this video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He truly loves us so much. And I will see you next time. Bye.